Regular Falsi method, or it is also called method of false position. So here it is a regular Falsi method is an oldest and fastest method to find the real root of the equation. So here also we'll require is one is positive value, another one is negative value. So f of a is positive value because it is lies above the x axis, and f of b is negative value because it is lies below the x axis. So if one is positive value, another one is negative value, then the curve will cuts x axis in between a and b. So which denotes that the root of the function y equal to f of x, which lies in between the points a and b. So the formula for regular Falsi method is x is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a whole divided by f of b minus f of a. Now examples on regular Falsi method. First example, use the regular Falsi method to find the root of the equation x e to the power x is equal to cos x that lies in between 0.4 and 0.6, and carry out fourth iteration. Means you have to calculate up to fourth step. So we express this x e to the power x cos x as f of x equal to x e to the power x minus cos x. So in this problem they will given the value of a and b. So substitute 0.4 and 0.6 in this function. So one use negative value, another one is positive value. So f of 0.4 is negative value, f of 0.6 is positive value. So which denotes that the root of the function f of x lies in between 0.4 and 0.6. So negative term is denoted as a, positive term is denoted as b. So first iteration, take a as 0.4 and b as 0.6. So then f of a and f of b. So f of a, that is f of 0.4 is minus 0.3244, and f of 0.6 or f of b value is 0.268. So now use these values in regular Falsi formula. First iteration, x1 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a whole divided by f of b minus f of a. So substitute all these terms in this formula. And one more thing, the function containing cos x means it is a trigonometric function. So before calculating you have to set your calculator in radian mode, then calculate x1 value. So which use the 0.5095. So which is the first approximation, and 0.5095 which lies in between 0.4 and 0.6. Then we will calculating second iteration. So before calculating second iteration you have to substitute this x1 value in f of x function and check it whether it gives positive value or negative value. So after substituting this value in f of x function which gives the negative value, so while calculating second iteration we will considering a value as 0.5095 and b value as 0.6 here. So required root of second iteration lies in between 0.5095 and 0.6. So a and b value, f of a and f of b. So once again substitute these values in regular Falsi formula and simplify. So x2 value become 0.5172. Then again, before calculating third iteration, so once again substitute x2 value in given f of x function. So in this function, and check it whether it gives positive or negative value. So again it gives the negative value minus 0.0017. So in third iteration we will taking a value as 0.5172 and b value as again 0.6 and continuing the process here. So we will continue same process up to the fourth term of fourth iteration. So now observe x3 and x4 value. So up to third iteration, up to third decimal, the values are same, 0.517, 0.517 here. So hence the real root of given function is 0.5177. Second example, compute the real root of equation x log x to the base 10 minus 1.2 is equal to 0. Correct to 3 decimal places using regular Falsi method. So consider this function as f of x. Now in this function again substitute x value as 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. such that we required is one is positive value and the one is negative value. So when x equal to 1 negative value, x equal to 2 negative value, x is equal to 3 positive value. So 2 negative value and 1 is positive value. So you have to taking 2 and 3 because 2 is close to 3 compared to 1 here. So required root lies in between 2 and 3. First iteration, here a is equal to 2 because it is negative value and b is equal to 3, here b is positive value. Then f of a and f of b value, and we will applying the previous example procedure. So substitute all these values in regular Falsi formula. So we will obtain the value as 2.722. Then substitute 2.722 in again f of x function and we will check it whether it gives positive or negative value. So after simplifying it gives the negative value. It means that in second step we considering a value as 2.722 and b value as 3. So continue the same process till the two values are same here, 2.7406, 2.7406 here. So therefore the approximate value is 2.740.